Hi, I'd like to introduce you to a new landscape product called Stonespar from Marshalls. These are blends created from 5 single colour sandstones. They come in a unique single plank shape which encourages specifiers to be innovative with both blends, patterns and also shading. These are very high quality sandstones and allow a British standard design for a marketplace to be achieved. It's not just a pedestrian product, it can take delivery vehicles and emergency vehicles. We often see granites in mixed colours, but nobody offers blended sandstones. Behind me are 4 pre-designed blends representing spring, summer, autumn and winter. They offer architects a quick design-led solution when time or fees are tight. They also give a quick choice for design and build contracts. Our design team can help you create different patterns using Stonespar, not just a traditional stretcher bond, but perhaps setting up diagonal lines with third bond, using herringbones or even multi-herringbones. You could take some of the stronger colours and use them as banding to create interesting lines across a scheme. You can also subtly change the colours to differentiate different uses. Pedestrians around here, more grey in the areas where you perhaps want the vehicles to move. Stonespar is the first commercial product from Marshalls to carry the Fairstone logo. Fairstone is Marshalls' guarantee about a stone's provenance. We monitor the stone's journey from first being uncovered in the quarry to being delivered to site. We audit and guarantee its ethical credentials, the treatment of all workers and the environmental impact. Stonespar is 600mm long, it's 130mm wide and 65mm deep. It's sawn on all sides to a tighter tolerance than is required by the British standards. That makes it quicker and easier to install. The top is shot blasted to enhance its already good slip resistance, and then it's brushed to bring back the colour. These are 5 extremely high performance sandstones, and if we compared them to say granite, which has a strength of say 8 to 20 megapascals, and Yorkstones, which are typically between 12 and 21 megapascals, Stonespar starts at 18 and finishes somewhere around 28. This means it can carry a lot more loading, in fact a class 4 loading, which is marketplaces often used by delivery vehicles or emergency vehicles. It's something that no other material can match. If we were to do this in a weaker material, we would have to go deeper. And the British standard says that whatever the depth is, the width has to be twice. So what that means is, if we did granite and say it was 100mm thick, we couldn't do 130 wide, it would have to be 200mm wide. And it becomes less plank-like and more paving-like, making it less attractive. When Stonespar is installed, it's surrounded by a proprietary mortar. Some of these mortars are quite expensive. By reducing this thickness, we've reduced the requirement for a lot of these mortars. The reduced thickness means that there's less dig and therefore less cost, and also you're not hitting surfaces. Finally, the 5 Stonespar sandstones have got very low water absorptions, more like granite than sandstone, which means that they're easier to clean and harder to stain. Stonespar's linear form fits perfectly with Marshall's slot drain. Slot drain is less intrusive than point drainage, simplifies the levels and makes a more DDA compliant landscape. Accompanying the range of Stonespar is a street furniture range called Simply Stone. It has an engraved linear logo which again reflects the long Stonespar shape. We can manufacture tree grills to fit your bonding pattern, minimising cutting on site and making installation quicker and simpler. Stonespar itself comes pre-mixed in the crates in the exact blend, so you get exactly what you want. You only need to open one crate at once, and site logistics are simpler and faster. It saves time and money. Unlike some suppliers, we don't add the joints. 1 square metre is 1 square metre, but when laid, it should lay to 1.1 square metre, and that should account for any wastage on site. If our blends and the ability to use different bonds are not enough, Marshalls also offer the opportunity to create your very own blend. It could be based on one of our blends, with a little more beige and a little less grey, or it could be something unique for yourself. It will be delivered, mixed in the crate to your specification, so you will get exactly what you've designed. Talk to one of Marshall's specialists in stone. and discuss creating your own blend. So that's Stonespar, a unique concept in stone landscapes. Strong, durable and ethical, giving multiple design possibilities in one of our pre-designed blends or to your own blend. Pre-mixed in the crates to reduce cost and complexity on site. It's contemporary, it's different. Strong stones in a plank format, creating unique blends for mixed usage.